Okay, today is Wednesday, June 17th, almost 3 p.m. I'm going to call ICBC. This call is specifically just to find out if they're going to try and charge me some sort of fees that I don't agree with when it's time to renew my driver's license. It won't even include the struggle I'm having to find a competent doctor for my medical. So I don't know if this is the right number, but I'll ask for them to transfer me. 1-800-663-3051.
Welcome to ICBC customer service. We'll connect you with a representative as soon as we can. Please have your driver's license, plate number, or claim number ready, and for insurance inquiries, a copy of your insurance documents. If you're calling long distance, you can use our toll-free number, 1-800-663-3051. Calls are recorded for quality assurance and
Yeah. I don't believe you. You've proven that many times.
Choose one of the following 6 options. If you know the extension number or the last name of the head office employee you would like to speak to, press 1. For questions relating to rebates, press 2. To report any new claim, or to ask about an existing one, press 3. For a copy of your driving record or ICBC insurance history, press 4. For questions about your driver's license, BC Services Card, or BC ID, press 5. For all other inquiries about your vehicle or your...
So I'm pressing 5.
Welcome to ICBC Driver Licensing Customer Service. ICBC can't release information to anyone other than the owner of a record without immediate written or verbal consent, so please have your driver's license or plate number ready. In October 2025, the government of BC passed legislation that will allow ICBC and Road Safety BC to make changes to the graduated licensing program and motorcycle licensing process. If you're calling about these changes, visit icbc.com/GLP.
By the way, you should
changes
consult me for such changes.
If you're affected by the upcoming changes, ICBC will contact you by mail with more information before the changes are implemented. You can book your appointment online for most ICBC driver licensing services. Online booking is faster and appointment availability
Holy moly.
is the same as booking by phone.
Does everybody get this, or this because I'm on hold?
Visit icbc.com/roadtest. For other services, visit icbc.com/appointment.
Holy
This
moly.
call may be recorded for quality assurance.
Yeah, you
accuracy,
said
and training
that,
purposes.
but I don't believe you.
Choose one of the following 5 options. To book a knowledge test for a new or expired learner's license,
Holy
press
moly.
1. To book a road test, press 2. To apply for, renew, or replace ABC driver's license, ID or photo services card, press 3. For inquiries about your driver's license, BC Services Card or BC ID, press 4.
But that's
If
what I
you're
press
calling
5
about your
for.
insurance or a new or existing claim, press 5.
Yeah, I'm pressing
Please
4
choose
now.
one of the following 4 options. To check when your license or ID will arrive, press 1. To update your address, or for a copy of your
Is there
driver's
even a
abstract,
choice?
press 2. To discuss a prohibition or suspension of your driving privileges, press 3.
Maybe.
For all other inquiries, press 4.
I'm going to press 4 instead of 3.
If you have your BC vehicle license plate number available,
Oh, my
press
God.
1 now. Or if you know your BC driver's license number, press 2 now. Please say your BC driver's license number now.
Okay, I'll have to trim. Don't do anything about it.
Representative.
Thank you for calling travel licensing. Nuni speaking. Can I know your name, please?
Oh, hi, my name is Martin. First name, last name.
Thank you. Thank you for answering my questions. Although I'm not able to verify you, but I can still provide you the general information. How can I help you today?
Are you saying that all the personal information you asked me was not enough to verify me?
Yeah, because maybe you haven't updated the information, or maybe there was mismatch of the information. But the questions that I have asked, some of the answers were incorrect. Which one I cannot tell you because of privacy policy.
Well, I don't know that I've provided my phone number before, so that could be the one. Do you want the number on the back of my driver's license?
No, that I don't need. I can still provide you the general information, but I will not be able to re-enter your record. If it's blocked, it's blocked.
Is it blocked because I did something wrong?
Because the answers were incorrect.
Okay, but did I get them incorrect? Because I know my address and phone number.
Yes.
I don't think I made a mistake with that. So maybe you got it incorrect?
No, It's just I have the answers right in front of me, so I just have to click that correct answer, incorrect answer. That's all.
So you might have an old phone number and you can't let me know so I can tell you what my old phone number is or something like that.
But it will not allow me to re-enter it.
Okay, so your system is kind of created with barriers to, the reasons we call sometimes. Okay, so...
it's a little complicated, I know, but yeah, it is what it is.
Well,
I can still help you. What's your question?
ICBC is probably worried of being sued, but they keep doing more things that make it that they should get sued. But anyways, they don't get that unless they look at themselves in the mirror. So for me, I'm still struggling to find a medical practitioner to do the medical. I left some information with Road Safety BC, but I also have to renew my driver's license next week. And I want to be sure that I won't be charged additional fees that I don't agree with, because right now ICBC owes me money. And every time I leave a message with fair practices ICBC, nobody's been getting back to me. And this is all, documented on my YouTube channel. So I just want to know what to expect. Let's say Road Safety BC extends the time needed for the medical, because otherwise I would lose a job next week if they don't do that. And my MLA will hopefully... not show signs of developmental disabilities by try to help a little bit with this, is I want to know if you guys will charge me fees that I don't agree with other than the renewal of driver's license.
If there is an outstanding debt on your record, doesn't matter you agree with it or not, you have to pay it unless you have disputed it with the court.
The courts?
Yeah.
Like the courts separate from ICBC?
So, one thing, the outstanding amount that you're talking about that you don't agree with, can I know for what that amount is? Is it for tickets, insurance, claim? What kind of amount it is?
Well, I don't know for sure that there is. I'm calling to find out what to expect, because when you go to a place like Service BC or an insurance place, people aren't trained to receive, customers that are outside of the norm, right? I mean, it has to be the norm, otherwise they don't know what to do. So I'm calling you guys just to find out if I have to solve issues that are even more than the ones ICBC has already given me. So for me, I'll give you a short answer, is I changed my bank account information a while ago because ICBC wouldn't process claims and wouldn't take complaints. So that means it lost the trust. I've informed ICBC, that's documented again, and even the CEO that was in town in Prince Rupert a few months ago. And he said, just contact Fair Practices. And I said, I have. They haven't gotten back to me. So I'm doing all of my due diligence. But the thing is if we go to court, the amount that I'm going to ask for example, for loss of use, because I'm not being irresponsible by driving vehicles when I'm not insured, but also, you guys just don't want to take the complaints, and that needs to be explained. You can't, because if you're telling me to take ICBC to court because you will insist I pay, then there'll be a criminal case as well, because it's called racketeering. When you don't want to take complaints or investigate your own failures, and you say I have to pay, otherwise you lose your job. That's racketeering. That's a criminal act. So so that means also if you tell me I'll have to take them to court, then you have to now transfer me to your legal department.
I'm not saying that you have to go to the court for everything, but there is a procedure for tickets. For example, if you get a violation ticket, red light camera ticket or anything, so if you pass 30 days, within 30 days you can dispute them with ICBC, but if you pass 30 days, then you have to dispute them with
No, I don't break the rules of the law of the road, and when others do, I report it to the RCMP, and the RCMP don't follow up on complaints either. Well, I'm just going to let me just finish. Because another thing that I will dispute is when I renew a driver's license or insurance, and it says additional cost to have additional policing I'm going to disagree, because also on my YouTube channel is documentation that police don't want to do police work. So I'm not going to partake in that racketeering either. So what would be fees possible that I'm calling about today is insurance costs that I block you guys when you weren't providing insurance services. So it's not about me making a mistake on the road. It's about you guys charging me insurance fees when you weren't providing insurance services.
So for that, I need to provide you the number for accounts who keep record of all your outstanding debts or everything. They will be able to check one for you and will be able to inform if there is
You can't
anything
even tell right now if I will be charged more or ask for more than the regular renewal fee.
Because I am not able to verify you. I do not have access to that.
So I would have to go to Service BC and say, maybe I'm not going to do this today, but if I was, what would you charge me for my renewal?
Yeah, you can do so. You can talk to account services as well. I can provide you their phone number.
Okay, go ahead.
It's 1800
Okay.
665
Okay.
6442.
Okay. Okay, now that's the number for what?
Account services.
Okay, but you can also transfer me there, right?
If I will transfer you from same call, they will not be able to enter your record as well. That's why I'm giving you the number.
Okay, and me, I know my current phone number, what it is, and I know my current address, what it is. And unless I misspoke on something like a number, and you didn't ask me again, can you repeat? Then I don't think I did anything wrong. So that means the same issue of your side of things could be repeated. And then they might not even answer me the same question when you transfer me there.
It's not necessary that they will ask you the same question, but because I'm not able to verify, it will not give me the option to transfer. So you have to separately call them, and maybe they will ask you the different questions.
And also, you can't transfer me to a supervisor that will try again or anything, eh?
No.
Okay, so I'm 15 minutes almost into this call, and the simple question I had was, am I to expect that ICBC will charge me additional fees? And you cannot answer that.
Because I'm following the policy of the company, I'm just a call center rep. I cannot break the rules because I'm not able to verify you, so that's why I'm not able to answer you yes.
Yes, and I do want to let you know that I don't think it's personally your issue. I'm just saying these things because twice I had to listen to the fake oversight or accountability that we record the call for training purposes. And so imagining this is true, I'm just saying these are the barriers I'm facing. It's not your fault. It's the failures of ICBC's developmental disabilities and lack of transparency and accountability. So I just wanted to put that on record because I am recording this call. It's going to go on YouTube as well when I cut off my private information. So I know I'm really offering you a way to self-correct. So that means if we do go in court, the judge is going to say, man, this guy is a culture repair and he's trying to help you guys not look like, you know, you're confused and you need to take time off from work with a doctor's note while you insist that a guy that can't get a doctor should have this form in time. And while I'm being driven by dangerous drivers who do have their class 4, you know, that are employed in this community. So, you know, like there's some serious kind of Canadian unhealthy toxic patterns going on. So I just wanted to put that on the record of this call. So I'm going to hang up with you and thank you. And